Hello guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is Follow Richard, Pinoy nurse here in Singapore. So for my today's content guys, I'm going to share to all of you this information. Salary of nurses here in Singapore will have increment this mid-2025. This 2025, okay? So before I continue this information, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, okay? So during Chinese New Year, MOH announced that we will have increment. Healthcare workers will have increment this 2025. So I thought it's only for allied health, like for pharmacists, physiotherapy. But actually, after I read the articles, it's included. The nurses are included. But the twist of it is, for the nurses, the salary is only a bit increment only because of the angel scheme. So if you remember, I posted about angel scheme, right? That nurses will have 100k, 100,000 in 20 years staggered. They will give it staggered. So that's the reason why the increment for the nurses will be not so much. Okay, so we are expecting to have this increment maybe mid 2025, which is July. So just to let you know, aside from this increment, actually, if you're working in government hospital, every year you will have a salary increment. So it's like institutional increment lah. So if you will add up this institutional increment plus announced by the government, so I think it will be quite, I'm not sure if big or small, but maybe 100, 200, or 300 SGD additional on your salary. So it's still okay, right? So other than that, stay tuned. If example, I managed to receive it already, I will post regarding this lah, okay? So what's my insight about this is, I'm not sure, probably the reason why they announced this is because to retain nurses, for the healthcare worker salary to be competitive, and also inflation. So for the info about retaining nurses, I'm not sure if it's a good move to retain nurses. Definitely yes, of course salary is important, but until when we'll able to retain this move to retain nurses? So to give you some information also, right, there's one country, okay, I will tell which country lah. This Australia announced that 2020 something they need more nurses. So probably they will attract a lot of foreign nurses to go there. So I'm not sure if Singapore will be affected on this, but they need to counteract. I mean, what is their counteract so that nurses in Singapore won't go to Australia? So I think that's for my content today. So I hope you're happy to hear this salary increment. And one more thing, by the way, I forgot. I also heard that now there's a lot of oversupply of nurses. So this oversupply of nurses, I'm not sure if really real. So will this oversupply nurse will go to Australia, or this oversupply nurse will stay in Singapore? Okay, so it's just a rumors. Okay, I'm not really sure if real or not. Okay, so I think that's it for my content today. Bye bye.